Can we see the 15 still? I don't know if we can. I don't think we're going to be able to. No, it doesn't look like it. The hourly is as far back as it goes. Okay, so I'll have to improvise here. I'm going to use the replayer tool again because this thing is being a little wonky. Replayer right here. I think we saw the 4 hour. Okay, so we can assume there's like a 1 hour level here, or somewhere like this. Like this one was already tested here. You can see that's tested. So we're just going to assume it's right here, just for the sake of this video. That's fine, because I can't quite go back that far. Neither is that even important in this moment anymore, right? So you can see that's the level that gets hit, right? Like it's fine. We can't find the exact level, but again, this is happening like over a year ago, these events now, so it's not really important. What's important is understanding invalidation and where does something get invalidated. So again, exterior events, are you holding this move down? Yeah, you're holding it down. That's true. As you're holding this thing down, are you not just hitting inverse levels? Like, are you not just hitting hold levels on top of hold levels on top of hold levels down, right? So is this just an invalidation here? Is this just not showing you that you're losing time against your move, and then you'd have another hold level right here, which gets hit right there perfectly. And then you'd have another hold level here somewhere. Not really sure if this one gets hit. Yeah, it looks like it does. I'm sure it's smaller time frame too. Maybe there's a hold level on the 1 hour. Yep, right here. This is the 15-minute hold level right here. And you can see the move is just being held down against time. So like invalidation is seen across quite a few different things here, actually. Number one, we have a hold level being hit, and a hold level is hitting another hold level, which is hitting another hold level. You know, TL says you can see it compressing, or in what we talk about, laddering, right? It's laddering down now. It's hit a hold level, which means the exterior of the move is laddering. So the exterior of the move has confirmed a ladder, and now the interior pieces are confirming a ladder. So that's one way you could see invalidation here. You are losing time against trend. That's another way you could see invalidation here. You are hard closing under a trend. That's another way we can see invalidation here, right? So now you're looking to create a distribution cycle. That's another form of invalidation, right? Because now assume that this trend here, wherever it was back in the past, it's going to move to here and then to here, right? So it's creating its own points of invalidation. So understanding that invalidation, even right now in the, let's pick the hold level here, and I'm going to say this is a 15-minute hold level right here. Like, look, it's holding its move, or holding whatever this held before in the past. It's just holding its level, which means it's going to have its own cycle and its own point of invalidation if this keeps holding, right? So there it is. There's the break of the move, right? So you can see very quite simply invalidation, right? Even here, it's probably holding this right here, which it is, hitting that hold level again, which is just cycling this out right to here like this. You can see it there, lost that. Now it's losing this one here. It's just almost done. Oh, come on, let's try to get that right there. It's hitting that hold level again. So you can see invalidation, and it finally breaks over its hold level, right? So, which is now going to try to cycle up, which would have been against at first this guy right here. Oops. Come on, right here. Come on. I'm trying to do this on the fly. It's not working. Okay, we got it right there. We're gonna move on. Okay, and then this one right here, and you can see it breaking up above that, and here, and here, and here, and so forth. The cycle continues. So invalidation is using all of our pieces together, right? Like we can see hold levels invalidating. Succession and failure is shown to us in various lights. If we can't see it, we've got the wrong glasses on. We got to change our prescription, right? Because that's a terrible joke, but hey, that's fine. We've got to change our prescription because like you can see invalidation like in a lot of ways. Like I'm doing this on a fly on a 1 hour chart, even here, I'm still seeing the hold level here. So is this just not laddering down long? I don't even know if this one is hit. It's not quite hit. Actually, I'm wondering if the 4 hour is like somewhere right here, maybe. It's possible. Let's check real quick. Yeah, so you have a 4 hour right here. So is this just not laddering down from here to here to here? And then that means that a hold level here is going to hit somewhere. So then this next ladder point will be there. I don't know. I guess let's check. Didn't even need to actually. So it should be like, where's our level tool here? Something like this now. Oh, no, that's not right. This one here, this is a 15-minute hold level right here. Come on. Right there, 15-minute hold level. Is this just not laddering down long term as it's losing trends, right? So, I mean, invalidation is shown to us in many ways. It's constantly shown to us in an abundance. It is not, how do you invalidate a thing? You have this one trigger point, right? It's not like that. You have lots of ways that invalidation gets shown to you, right? And this is all just a formula, right? Like that's why it's never wrong. It's simply a formula. Like we can just go to any point in any chart. Hell, let's go to crude oil. Oops. Why did I spell crude with a K? Yikes, not enough coffee. I don't know if I have, let's, crude oil. We can go to crude oil. I haven't looked at crude oil. Simply put our hold level. Look at that. Pretty nice, not too shabby. Oh, this hold level's been tested. I wonder if it's just holding this over time. What does that tell us? Not bad. I wonder if it's actually breaking the move. She is breaking the move. It's probably why futures dumped so much. Yeah, that's definitely why that crude oil futures chart dumped. Hit its break level, right? Exterior part of the charts. And just like crude oil, just like everything else, this would have the same information, right? Like this is all the same. Every stock, every chart in the world. Right in here, which gives you this one to this one on a smaller time frame, right? Come on. Come on. There we go. Got it. Right. So your cycle is breaking. There. Now it's a here. Okay. Come on. Which is the next break point. So it's just breaking a cycle, right? How can we see invalidation? Here's here's a random stock. Isn't this just a cycle against the hold level right here? Oh, level 2. I swear to God. Looks pretty straightforward to me. To turn this thing upside down. Hit a hold level, cycle out. Here's your next hold level right here. If it breaks over this, the move's not holding down anymore. It's actually just going after the next range. Like this, it's all there, right? Like it's all there. This one was first, right? This one was first right there. So that means this next untested one is right here, right on a smaller time frame. Which means that if it loses this level right here, the next hold, it's going to break because it's the next untested, right? So it's all the same. Invalidation, no matter what chart you're on, I don't care. It's this is crude oil, for heaven's sakes. The same thing on SP1, I believe I have a chart. No, I don't. But anyways, we could just make a chart on SP1. Level right here. I wonder if it's a monthly question mark. Monthly, right there. Yeah, very simple. This one was already tested. That's the next one. Pretty good, I tell you, not bad, right? So like it's all the same. It's all the same. And to tie up invalidation, succession failure, perfect levels, like you guys are seeing pretty perfect levels, but they're logical. They're logical levels. They're points in time that are highly logical, right? Even this bounce here, I'm sure, like even you go more interior on this move. Here's your 4-hour level right here, right? No, that's not it. It's right here. There's your 4-hour level right there. Maybe that's 12. Right here. 12-hour level right here. You can already see it bounces back off of that. So your next level would be here, right? This is your next 12-hour level. Your next one right here, and so forth and so forth. It's all just like ridiculously similar. There is no variation here. Even here's your hold level, right? It's breaking over that. It's going after this. It's all the same. So you can see this is showing you invalidation and success in many ways. Like, okay, S&P, let's do S&P real quick. Where could you have seen this thing invalidating? Distribution to distribution right there. That's the first break of it right here. Distribution to your next point of distribution, which ends up being right here for the move. So we can actually just take this body right here and put it right on this distribution channel right there. Attach this properly to its point right there. And then where's the reach point on this guy? And distribution to distribution right here. Come on. Oh, you bugger. Gotta zoom in on this guy. distribution to distribution here, which would have given you your final trend right here. Should have given you your final trend right there, right? So you can see like it's all the same. You see the cycle breaking here, just like it broke on every other chart, right? And then you see it slip through right to its level. So like, yeah. And again, just to say it one last time to repeat myself, invalidation is shown everywhere. It's shown on time frames. Invalidation is shown on hold levels. It's shown on break levels. It's shown on trends. It's shown. It's literally shown everywhere.
Hey everyone, how's it going? As you know, I'm now giving out some of this content for free that I was otherwise charging for the past little while. Yeah, drop a donation, subscribe to the channel, join Patreon. You'll get access to Discord. Great way. Lots of top level traders in there, people who are doing this for a career every single day. So go to Patreon, join a tier, get access to Discord. Go on Reddit, talk about future of trading, talk about the science of trading, talk about cotton candy, socials, everything you can. Let's help this thing grow. It's the way you guys can thank me for giving out this content for free that I was otherwise charging money for. So I'll leave a Bitcoin address on the screen. I'll leave the Patreon address on the screen. Just do something to help out. Okay, thanks guys. Take care.